Imagine you're working in a company where everything is slow, repetitive, and stuck in the past. Deadlines are missed, customers are frustrated, and innovation? Forget it. But what if I told you there's a powerful way to break free from outdated systems and make your processes smarter, faster, and more flexible? Welcome to the world of Business Process Reengineering, BPR, in software engineering, where old processes are thrown out and smarter, agile ones take over. Hey everyone, welcome to EduAIverse, where we make complex concepts simple and fun. Today, we're diving deep into Business Process Reengineering, or BPR, and how it's revolutionizing software engineering. Whether you're a student, developer, or just curious, this video will give you the full picture with simple language, real examples, and zero boring lectures. Let's get started. 1. What is BPR in software engineering? BPR means rethinking and radically redesigning business processes to improve performance, like cost, quality, service, and speed. In software engineering, this could mean redesigning the development lifecycle, automating tasks, or removing unnecessary steps in how software is built and delivered. Example: old process. Developers write code, testers test it later, errors found late, delays re-engineered process. Developers and testers work together, continuous testing, fewer bugs, faster delivery. 2. Agile Business Process Management, Agile BPM. Agile BPM is a smart combo of two things. First, from BPM, Business Process Management, it provides automation and repeatability. Second, from Agile, it brings flexibility and real-time response to unexpected changes. In simple words, Agile BPM allows companies to automate structured tasks, but also stay flexible when unpredictable things happen. 3. Key characteristics of Agile BPM. Let's break down its top traits. Real-time adaptability. You can change processes while they're running without changing the main model. Handles unstructured work. Not everything follows a checklist. Agile BPM can deal with that. Uses predictive analytics. Helps teams understand what's likely to happen and prepare for it. 4. Agile Manifesto. 12 principles simplified. The Agile Manifesto changed how software is developed. Let's break down its 12 principles. A. Customer satisfaction by delivering working software quickly. B. Embrace change even late in development. C. Deliver working software frequently. D. Working software progress. C. Promote sustainable pace of development. F. Encourage daily collaboration between business and devs. G. Face-to-face communication is best. H. Trust your team. Let them make decisions. I. Focus on technical excellence. J. Keep it simple. Do only what's necessary. K. Build self-organizing teams. L. Adapt regularly to changes. These principles guide not just how we develop software, but how businesses operate in a fast-changing world. And 5. BPR plus Agile, future of smart software processes. By combining business process reengineering and Agile, we remove unnecessary steps, automate where possible, stay flexible and responsive, build better software faster. Whether you're a student or a future tech leader, understanding BPR and Agile will give you a strong foundation for working in any modern tech company. To sum it up, Business Process Reengineering is about changing the game, and when combined with Agile, it helps teams become unstoppable. It's not just about doing things better, it's about doing better things. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to EduAIverse for more simplified, powerful explanations. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and stay curious.